Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful half up, half down wavy hairstyle. To start, we're going to take the crown section of the hair and we're just going to bring this to the back and tie it together with a clear elastic band. Next, apply some texture spray all over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then gently loosen everything up by pinching and pulling at the hair. Now we're going to use the hair from this little ponytail and we're going to take 1-inch sections and we're just going to twist this towards the head and we're going to anchor it on the left hand side of that elastic band. Then bring the twist over to the opposite side of the elastic band and secure it with another bobby pin. Take more texture spray and apply it to that twist and gently pinch and pull. Now take a new 1-inch section of hair from that ponytail and incorporate the tail ends from the previous section. And again we're going to twist it towards the head, but this time we're going to anchor it on the right hand side. And then bring it over to the left hand side and anchor it to the head with another bobby pin. Apply your spray and pinch and pull at that twist. And we're just going to repeat this process until we run out of hair from that ponytail. So take a new section and incorporate the tail ends of your previous section, twist it towards the head, anchor it on the left hand side, bring it over to the right hand side and pin it to the head again. Apply your texture spray and pinch and pull for volume. So I've used 4 sections from this ponytail. So taking that last section, twist it towards the head again, bring it over to the opposite side. Then apply your spray and pinch and pull. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.